Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. English Assessment Project. Next. Introduction. Name: Muhammad Rizky Saputra. Class 15 2A01. Name: 152400025. Theme and topic: software and operating system and hardware. 1. Software and operating system. What is an software? The definition of software is a collection of commands or instructions whose function is to run programs on a computer. Software works according to the programming language and data entered into it. The programming language that are often used are Visual Basic and C++. Next. What is an operating system? Software that manage computer resources, such as hardware and software, and provides a user interface for interacting with the computer. Key function of an OS. 1. Managing hardware, CPU, memory, device. 2. Running application. 3. File management. 4. User interface like Windows, GUI, or a command line. Types of software. System software. 1. System software. Software that control and manage computer hardware. Example: operating system, driver. 2. Programming software. Tool for developer to write code. Example: code editor, compiler. 3. Application software. Program that help user perform tasks. Example: Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, WhatsApp. 4. Middleware. Software that connects different applications of our system. Example: database connector, IPS. Software function. Manage hardware so that it can work simultaneously. 2. Provide important functions that allow the computer to operate. For example, the operating system is also a computer support system. 3. As a liaison between hardware and software in a computer device. 4. As a language translator from the user to machine language so that the hardware can understand and execute commands from the user. Next. Various type of software. Operating system. The main function of this software is to manage all hardware connection to the computer's CPU. This device has the ability to send instructions or activities that occur in the hardware so that the program can run smoothly. Language programming. This software is specifically designed to create and organize a series of programming languages. In the process of working on it, even though there is special software used to write programming languages, you still need other supporting software. Program application. This program is specifically made to carry out commands given by the user. For example, when the user wants to insert an image into a document, create a table, or even create a presentation, then the software will process the various commands into a file in a certain format. 2. Hardware. Next. What is hardware? Hardware is all types of component on a computer that have a physical form, can be seen and felt. So it can be said that the definition of hardware in a computer system is a physical computer tool that is used to perform several processes such as input, output, and process. Next, types of hardware. Hardware output is a device that functions to produce new information or useful data so that it can be understood by the user. The new information is output through other device. Here are some examples of hardware output. 1. Monitors. The monitor, uh, the monitor has a function to display information that has been processed. That way, user can see the information. 2. Printer. A printer is a hardware that functions to print information or data into paper in the form of writing or image. 3. Speaker. Speakers are hardware that function to change electrical waves into audio waves by vibrating say membrane shaped component. Difference between single board computer and single board controller. 1. Single board computer (SBC) function as a complete computer, runs an operating system, e.g. Linux, includes ports like HDMI, USB, Ethernet. 2. Single board controller (SBC) focuses on controlling external hardware. Doesn't need an OS. Uses firmware. Has GPIO pins and analog or digital I/O. Analog or digital I/O. PWM. What are the characteristics of hardware? 1. Has a physical form. One of the differences between software and hardware is its form. Software can only be seen in appearance, but does not have a physical form, while hardware has a physical form that can be seen and felt. 2. Media connection between user and software. Hardware is device that is useful for connection user and software, which will receive input and then provide output to the user. 3. Lo- locate, Located on the outside of the computer. Most hardware is located outside the computer. However, not all of it. Some of it is located inside the computer. For example, RAM and CPU. Generally harsh. Some examples of hardware are keyboard, printer, scanner, and other hard device. How hardware works. The way hardware works is based on command. This is also called the instruction set. With these commands, hardware can perform various activities that have been determined by the commands giver. The three basic instructions for running hardware are as follows. 1. Basic input instructions, which are instructions that can provide information to other software using a driver intermediary. In this case, the software is the operating system. This occurs when the user uses hardware, for example, typing using a keyboard or clicking with a mouse. 2. Basic process instructions, namely instructions that act as intermediaries between input or output processes. These instructions only occur in hardware, not the computer system as a whole. Basic output instruction, namely instructions command to use hardware from the user. Thank you.